Today I'd like to talk about a really special watch. This is going to be a mid-size Rolex Datejust. Now, you might be asking yourself, okay, it's a Rolex Datejust. What on earth makes it so special? Well, the answer lies in the dial, right? This is going to have that mother of pearl dial. You can see some of the color changing effects that come from this naturally derived dial. Of course, it does actually come from the mother of a pearl, which would be an oyster, and they get these dials from the actual shell of the oyster. So no two are going to be alike. But this watch, they took it a little bit more. They took it farther. They went to the next level. So you'll notice around the outside of the dial, underneath the yellow gold hour markers, and of course the hands are also made out of 18 karat yellow gold, but there's going to be this golden filigree that's laid into the dial itself. It's got this beautiful like pattern to it that goes all the way around the dial. It makes it a much more elegant watch. Come check it out at SwissWatchExpo.com and get yours today.